today's project during Snowmageddon. We've already got like, I don't know, 12, 14 inches, probably 14, it's over a foot. So I'm starting pepper seeds, sweet peppers, red, yellow, and orange. And I just got these seeds from peppers at the store that I was eating. Plant them into, these are Mr. Penn starter trays. They're $10 on Amazon. They have 5-star reviews, lots of them. Pretty nice product. You get a little greenhouse with ventilation covers. They have holes in the bottom of the tray, the starter trays, so water can leach up in and keep them watered. And then they have the bottom where you put your water, so you don't have to water from the top. The water leaches up from the bottom. But for $10, you get 5 of these. It's pretty nice. I'll put them in the description, the link to them on Amazon. It also comes with these cool tools. This one's got the measurements on them so you know how deep. So I'm just starting with some organic sweet peppers, orange, red, and yellow. I'm gonna cut them open, get the seeds out of them, dampen the paper towels, and spread the seeds out on them, fold it up, and put it in the Ziploc bag for about 3 to 6 days on the windowsill, and then they should sprout roots. Alright, this is the orange pepper, sweet pepper. I'm gonna take the seeds out of it, and I'm gonna set them on a damp paper towel. Alright, there are my orange pepper seeds, sweet pepper seeds on a damp paper towel. I'm gonna fold it into 4 sections and put it in the plastic bag for... So also, you don't need light to do this. You could do it in a dark area for the seeds to germinate. They don't need light, but you wanna get a little bit of air in the bag and don't oversaturate it. Alright, and there's the yellow. I already did the red. I'm just gonna wrap this up, put it in the bag with a little bit of air, and let it sit till about Friday, which will be about 4 days. It might take up to 7, but I'm gonna check it in on Friday in 4. Alright, there's 3 bags of pepper seeds, and they should germinate here shortly. Okay, it's 4 days later. We still have a bunch of snow. I have my 3 bags of new sweet pepper seeds here, the yellow, the orange, and the red. I'm gonna open them up and see if any of them have started to root, to germinate. If they have, I'm going to transplant them into my soil, put water in the trays. This one I already transferred, that was not quite a week ago. I put some seeds in here that did germinate that weren't spoiled, and they're doing pretty good. I'll show you in here. Here's some pepper plants. It's only been about 5 days, and they have some decent germination. Okay, so it's only been 4 days since I've put these seeds in a wet paper towel in the bag, and you can do this in the dark. It doesn't have to be in the sun. You can see here there's little starter roots sticking out. Not much. It could go another day or 2 before they have a nice starter root, but they are coming out. So any of the ones that you can see a root protruding, like this one here, there's a few, there's probably half a dozen or more in here. I'm gonna transplant them to the soil. The other ones I'll leave in the bag and check them in another day or 2 and move them over. I just got a Miracle-Gro seed starting potting mix. This will do fine. Something lightweight, less dense. It's like $8. And that's what it looks like. Good stuff for starting seeds. Again, with this, I'm just using a pair of tweezers to grab the seeds. I'm making a 1/4 inch hole in the soil with this. Dropping the seed in and covering it up. You'll have to put water in the bottom part of this tray. Don't water from the top. Some people will spray them with a squirt bottle, but if you pull this tray out, you can put a 1/4 to 1/2 inch of water in the bottom, and you'll have to do that about twice a week. And you can see the results. This is what you'll end up with. All right, I'm gonna move those seeds over. I'm just making the depression, 2 of them in each one, dropping the seeds in, and it's about a 1/4 inch deep, and then covering them over lightly with the soil. Water's in the bottom of the tray, you can see it's wet. Put the top back on and put them in the window. Once they come merge out of the soil like this, they will need sunlight for, 8 hours a day. Okay, you can see the seeds down in there. And now I'm just gonna cover them up. This kit comes with these tools, so I'd recommend buying it. It's only $10. It's a great kit. Links in the description. I have no affiliation. All right, I planted these trays here with more orange sweet peppers. This soil is not wet, but it will be shortly. Use this tool to cover them over. Okay, here's the bottom tray. Put a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of water. It's gonna suck all this water into the soil, so it's okay to go on the half side. And then you won't have to water it again for 5 days or so. So we'll put about a half inch of water in there. Drop the tray. The water goes in through the holes in the bottom of each cup, pod, whatever you want to call it. So you come back and check on this in an hour. All that soil on top will be moist. Yeah, I know that's everyone's favorite word. We then put our lid on. Helps insulate, keep it a little bit warmer in there. I have a good spot here that gets a lot of direct sunlight, the little bit that we do get here in Pennsylvania this time of year. And then I just leave these slightly open, so it keeps most of the moisture in, but a little bit can escape. And I'll bring you back in a couple days and show you when the plants emerge. Here we are, a week and a half after transplanting those seeds. Let's take a look and see what we have. So this was the pot that already had these 3 pods growing. You can see the plant different size. Within the last couple days, we've had these plants germinating, coming out through the soil. You can see a new one right there. These ones will probably still produce in the next couple days. They pop out at different times. Here's my other one. These are all organic peppers, sweet peppers from Aldi, and I just transplanted the seeds and we'll get more peppers from them. It's a cheap way to start your pepper plants. This was $10 setup. And we'll have a whole bunch of peppers this summer. We would typically buy starter plants and spend a good bit more on them than, we already had the peppers we were eating here at the house, took the seeds, started them, and we'll have plenty of peppers this year. As you can see, there's one coming out right there today. They'll continue to come out. These ones came out a couple days ago, so they'll continue to germinate. And once they start putting on the second set of leaves, like these ones, I'll add a small amount of fertilizer in water soluble fertilizer into the water, feed them once a week. So that's it. Peppers are underway. We still have a bunch of snow. It's starting to melt though, warming up into the 30s and 40s. All right, thanks for watching. Cheap way to grow some peppers from Aldi's.